Oh boy. Oh boy. Guys, I woke up seeing this dump, you know. The entire thing is dumping, 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 dumping. Why is crypto dumping? Why? Like, I mean, 40% dump. Bitcoin went, let's see, Bitcoin went right down to about $100. What a massive flush out in the market. Wow. Wow. This is one of those dumps that, I mean, look at this. Look at this flush out. And it can continue to dump like that throughout the weekend. You know, look at this flush out. Every coin has shown where it can flush out to. Bitcoin flush out right down to $102,000. Wow. They have, liquidated lots of people. Let me see. The liquidation heat map, what we got here. Wow. Wow. Just want to see what has happened for the past 24 hours. Wow. Getting a lot of freeze here. Laptop freezing. I don't know if my laptop is facing if my laptop is facing the game. If my laptop is facing it, my laptop is just freezing. Yeah, I'm just like, going on, going on. What is going on, man? Wow, the flush out is crazy, man. It's crazy. I think if my laptop is freezing like that, maybe I should just go live on Pom Phone. Yeah, guys, my laptop is really like my stream is freezing. It's really freezing. It's like I have to restart. Um, like I have to restart. Guess I'm back. I guess I'm back live. That was crazy. Oh boy. Yeah, my computer freeze, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah. Let me just go to X and find out what is going on. Like, actually, I don't know what is going on. Um, I don't know what is going on, but I know something is fishy somewhere. Breaking crypto liquidation sour to 9.4 billion in 24 hours. Let me see the liquidation heat map. Um, the past. Let's see this. It's one. Not this one. Let's see the liquidation map. Um, let's see liquidations. Wow. Look at the flush out. Um, wow. Let's see for the past 24 hours. 3.78 billion for Bitcoin, Ethereum 3.23 billion, Solana 1.4 billion. Wow. Wow. This Bitcoin and Ethereum are like 7 billion, 8 billion, altogether about 9 billion. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And these were all long liquidation for the past 24 hours. Wow. So, like, I don't know for sure what is going on, guys. I'm going to usually something like this happen, and one guy like one guy shot Bitcoin, a whale shot Bitcoin for about 7 billion, yeah, 700 million. So it's like people knew something was going to happen, who had inside knowledge. Like Grey BTC mentioned something today. Let me just go to Grey BTC. Grey BTC. He said something today. I think that was today or yesterday. Um, he said something earlier today. Okay, this whale is up 11 after opening a 750 million short position on BTC. It's up 11 million. Imagine. Now, let's see. A whale has opened a 750 million 10x leverage of BTC short position. It's already 3.7 million in red. So he was losing back there. So he shared this BTC is now trading under this, that, and this person, let's see. Let's go down to see. Is it Trump? President Trump just said China is becoming very hostile and threatens to raise tariff. But yeah, this whale is up, like went up about, he made like a hundred of millions of dollars. This whale. Isn't this fantastic, guys? you know, people can just wake up and make money like that. Just like that. Crazy, man. Oh boy. It's crazy. oh Let me see. I'm gonna dig into this more. Want to get in my life. Um, I want to see your comments. That's why I'm trying to. I'm not, for some reason my laptop is really it's really a challenge now. But I'm it's gonna it's like it's facing the challenge of the market. I'm gonna let's dig more to see what is actually really going on in the market. So let's see. Um, long BTC is easy money. Yeah. So I'm going to be trading this. This is an opportunity for traders. Um, but not like immediately, guys. Of course, they are not gonna make it in a way that we can get catch it at the bottom. This is a play. I'm gonna explain to you guys what is actually going on, like things like based on my experience. When something like this happens, what's actually going on? It's not like Trump did something, you know. Yeah. Let's see. Just go more. Let's see what's going on here. Andrew Tate says, "Happy Liquid Auto closed my profitable short for auto the leveraging." Wow, how many billion? How many million was closed? Yeah, Tate came out saying that he shorted Bitcoin. Let's see what people are saying under. Um, are there any comments there? To be fair, there would have been in even exchange. It's the term. I work as is in the derivative exchange abundance. All platforms do not do that. It's not even a hiding thing. Yeah. So the close is short because maybe there wasn't they were not able to to give him all the money that he would have made. Yeah, there wasn't enough money to pay him. Imagine that so many people were shorting. Like that is a challenge of most exchanges when there's not much liquidity. Your trade can be easily like they can easily close a trade like that. No, I mean, man, I was sleeping and I woke up with this. Um, and um, I was saying, like, I almost shared this with my community, but I wasn't sure. This move that I saw today, let me show you guys something. Like now, I should be taking my TA even more serious than I thought. Right? I saw this and I was saying to myself, because we failed this move on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. I was saying to myself, like, okay, but I didn't expect us to dump like this, to be honest, But this move was like, to me, like, okay, we couldn't, and price has been, attempting to drop, and price have dropped down below $120,000. Maybe something bad can really happen. But I didn't really know this is gonna be this bad, like really bad. To be honest, I didn't know this is gonna be really bad. I was thinking, okay, maybe the bull market is over, and it is over for Bitcoin. Before, to be honest, this might be over for Bitcoin. Except this was just like, of course, it's manipulation. They are working closely with exchanges. Those who have taken loans, most of them have been liquidated. Like, I mean, so many people have been liquidated. So many people have been liquidated. You know, this is a play by the exchanges, the market makers. They are just doing this to make money. Money. All the money they lose pumping Bitcoin, they just made it back, like everything. You see, they feel all of these orders down. Yeah, all of these orders right down to $100. They feel it for Bitcoin. So this is I mean, we are living in scary time, guys. Scary times. I don't know. I don't know. This is crazy. Really crazy, man. Oh boy. So whenever something like this happen, okay, exchanges and the market makers, like this happens once after, like in the course of every bull market. We see this like flush out like this 30%, like we call it massive correction. So it's manipulation. I think the same thing is happening with the stock market. So let's just see what's going on with the stock market. Yeah, the stock market is the same thing. I think um, let's see, the S&P dropped how many percent? Nasdaq 4%. See, this is Nasdaq. Um, Look at Nasdaq. I think gold also should take a huge hit. Gold should drop. Instead, gold is not wow. Gold is doing wow. The contrary. Wow. Tesla took the huge dip of 5% dip for Tesla today. Um S&P 500 2% dip. You know, the Bitcoin was like, hey man, I'm gonna dump more than you guys. You know, Bitcoin dip more than like that was. But let's just say let me calculate it. This massive dump here was how many percent dip for Bitcoin from the top there to the bottom of the move? That was 16% correction, exactly at the value area low. Like exactly, I marked this zone long time ago. Exactly at the value area low. You know, but again, I mean, you can mark areas, but if you see you don't know what's going to happen, you can never tell. That's why it's always good to be ready at all time and just be calm and wait for that opportunity. We're gonna get it. There are so many opportunities right now, so many coins. They're gonna, like, from tomorrow we're gonna see 30%. I think now is the time to make money. Make money trading this shit, you know. We're gonna make money trading this shit. Oh boy. If you have any question, post your question. I'm gonna respond to you. You have any question? I'm just looking at the market now. Um, like at the same time, I'm like, okay, I'm worried, I'm happy, you know, because this is an opportunity for me to make money. But I wish I was in a short position. That like there wasn't any, like, let's say stop loss. You know, um and to take short Bitcoin from 124K, and now has a profit of 120. You know, yeah. You know, so many people, angry people on X today, many because they can't accept reality yet. They long, highly leveraged and either liquidated or closed. So anytime they see a drop and someone posts bearish, they'll rip you apart. Welcome to the typical noob that has never seen 7+ figures. OG Bitcoin will opens 230 million 12x leverage. Ethereum short, currently up 2.2 million, but faces liquidation if it breaks above 4,000. Wow. These guys knew something was coming, you know. They knew something. I mean, these whales shorting Ethereum, shorting Bitcoin. You can see. I mean, these are all insiders. A new world was coming. The new world was coming, guys. The new. Let's just go. Let me just go to the crypto market cap. Let's see how. Like, oh boy, we're at like 4.5 trillion. Let me see how many trillion are we right now. We're now at 3.78 trillion. 8% just wipe out like that from the market. Not bad. I mean, just 3 point. I mean, we're about 4 point something trillion. So where we are right now is not bad, right? Bitcoin is now at $114,000. These are now short buy, right? So I'm not gonna rush to buy anything now. No. Maybe there's gonna be an opportunity to scalp on lower time frame. You know, any of these coins, but mostly the top coins like Solana. You know, yeah. So all of this movement like this, um, it's not to be trusted. Okay. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. But one thing I'm seeing here is Asta is Asta is making a huge wave back up. You know, but I mean, we're gonna see it down back. At one point or not, or not. But I love the recovery of Asta. This not only Asta, so many altcoins. Look at the recovery. You know, wow. Look at Quant, guys. Look at the buyback for Quant. Look at the oh boy. You know, if I would have like how many minutes this took this dump. Let's see. Um, we look at the 30 minutes time frame. I think it took about 30 minutes for this to happen. This took like 30 minutes to happen. Yeah, this dump took like 30 minutes. Then look at the buyback. They sold and they bought back again. I wish I would have been up. Right? I wish. I wish I would have been up to get this. you know. But guys, that's what is going on right now. You cannot. No one is really giving you any like a clue to what is going on. But again, whenever you see something like this happen in the middle of the bull market, um, it means we have opportunity to make money. Okay, this is an opportunity to make money, sure. And I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't see this coming, and I wasn't in any trade. I wasn't in any short. Like my rule is on Friday, I bang everything out. Right, most of the time I avoid to trade on like after the UK mostly towards around 6 or 7 PM. I'm out of the market completely. Right, so the trade is just everywhere now. It's just everywhere now. Everywhere talking about Bitcoin. It's like Tate. It's like Tate is back on you. Is back on YouTube. Let me see. Wow. And Tate is back on YouTube. Or let me see. Mm, the channel. When was this? 13 hours ago. Did he pinned this? Maybe hear what he's got has to say.
Is on ban. Nick Fuentes is on ban.
Yeah, this is what I got. This is what everyone is getting. Nothing there. Yeah, there's nothing yet. Maybe he shut down the channel. I don't know, and he hasn't posted anything yet about it. Let me see. Yeah. Anyways, I was just trying to see what he has been doing, like BTC, the real world official. We will just believe it here. Big mouth rap. Big mouth rap. Can see you guys. Let's. Wow. Imagine that I would have shorted APT from $5. APT is like, oh boy. Price might as well never go back down there. So but usually when I see something like this happen, it's just a signal that we are in a bear market because at one point we're gonna see the market attempt, then fail, then keep dropping down right to this $2, right before continuing to the upside. Every coin that we are seeing here, at one point, um, they're gonna go back like Solana would attempt again, right down here to this price point where Solana respected the alpha trend. I mean the better moving average. Wow. Let's see, pump. BNB just dropped 9%. BNB is looking strong. It's like nothing happened with BNB. Look at Pom. Pom took all of the gains. Like we're gonna see majority of these coins do really well. Trust me, they're gonna do well. Salute, big headwind. Salute, my friend. Oh, trust me, this is an opportunity. I have not seen what meme coins did. Like honestly, let me see what some meme coins did, because we're gonna have more opportunities with meme coins as well. Oh boy, look at this. Look at more coin. You know, look at bread coin. Like, oh boy, this is crazy. Crazy. Are you guys feeling this? Are you guys feeling this vibe? There's gonna be a huge opportunity. Just allow the market to cool down a little bit. Allow it to cool down. Now most people are still sleeping. Many people are gonna panic when they wake up to see this. Like Europe, most Europe was sleeping, or Europe is sleeping. Africa, most people in Africa are sleeping. When they're gonna wake up to this shit, some are partying, some are now in panic, some are committing suicide. Some are like, so lot is going out on out there. Uh, yeah, that's awesome. Big head, bad head. Um, that's awesome. Bad head, not big head, bad head. Oh, big mouth up and bad head. That's awesome. You know. I mean, this is crazy. It's crazy. I like at the same time, some people are suffering right now. Based on this, why some are happy, some have made money. Some are losing money. This is crazy. The coins that have good liquidity didn't really dump. But we're gonna see, like, see, look at fat coin. Wow, look at fat coin. Look at Toshi. So basically, what I think is gonna happen, like we're gonna see, like, okay, so look at Toshi. Toshi will recover back like crazy, only 70%. So this is strength. Okay, this is strength. They bought the shit back, back from this dump. You know, there are coins that are showing strength in this spike. Like people are jumping in now. Like, oh boy. I'm not gonna buy anything, like trade anything now. Maybe scalp, yeah, a scalp, but trust me, you don't wanna, like, you see, the dump started. You know, at least you should dump it a little bit again before any pump or any continuation. There are many people now who are gonna panic, sell, keep panic, sell at current price, so it's gonna, cause more dump in the market. Gonna experience more dump in the market than pump. If you are watching, like the stream, share the stream. Yeah. Yeah, Tom walk live. Yeah, there'll be more movement. I think there's gonna be more movement. You know, I mean, people are gonna come. Let me see. Um, I want to see if, say, we've had something like this back then. Yeah, we have had something like this back then, but not like as this. This is like, I cannot remember when we like like 3 years ago, 3 4 years ago, that something like this happened. Not in this scale. Bitcoin is gonna, you know, dump more. Wanna see more dump, yeah. So guys, if you wanna trade this, you wanna buy, don't buy immediately. Um, if except you wanna be like they say, if you want, you have, or you can double down. But I think this is the beginning of the bear market. Trust me. Yeah, I might be wrong, but I'm gonna trade anything I see. Okay, I'm gonna trade anything I see. If I just wanna wait to see price should develop more development with price. After that, I'm gonna look for that opportunity. Trust me. But the opportunity now is with altcoin. Trust me. The opportunity is with altcoin, not Bitcoin. The thing is, altcoin can even dump more, right? Can dump more, and with my experience, when you see dip like this, like for example, you see, it's showing like, yeah, like um this coin dump like it would drum dump like about 50%. Okay, so let me just mark this. Like it's important with what I want to say. So you see, it dumps 77%. Okay, imagine. So there are some people like everyone except those who have really like almost everyone has been liquidated who have a loan. If say okay, let's say you took a loan against um Bitcoin when Bitcoin was about like well Bitcoin, those who took a loan against Bitcoin and Ethereum, they should be okay. But if you took a loan against, let's say, a coin um like APT, you know, my APT loan was liquidated. I had a loan, APT loan. I was liquidated. Like my position was wiped out. I almost took out that like um closed the loan. I think that was 3 days ago. All right. Now that APT is pumping, let me just take off this loan and I didn't, you see. So no matter what would have happened, I would have been wiped out. Like look at this. Right. I would have been wiped out. So there wasn't anything to suggest, right? So you see, look, how would I have known that this was gonna happen? Look at the dip, for APT. Look how many percent dip from there. 67% dip. Wow. Look, and it's not yet over. Okay? It's not yet over. These are all signs that we are going to the bear market. A lot of pain is coming. And we might just wake up and see that the US has to reduce interest rate like that, and we're gonna see more dump again. Those guys who were shorting bitcoins, like they knew something was gonna happen with Bitcoin, that they short Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those guys knew. Yeah, Monday morning, Monday morning or Sunday. Sundays, like usually towards the evening, like before Asia open, it's always um so like just wait, and you will see, you will know when the opportunity set in. Okay, you will know when the opportunity set in. You know, you see it and you're like, okay, now is the time to buy. You'll know. But for now, like let's not rush to go and buy anything now. Like I'm just looking and watching. I'm like, okay, oh boy. I would need to see price form more. Like I see cool down the dump, then I started seeing price respecting key levels. Like now, if you look at most of the coins, like guys, there are a lot of opportunity. You can catch. Like I'm telling you this, you can. You need just 10%, 10x leverage, $1,000, make it 10,000. Are you gonna get it? So be patient. Be patient, right? $1,000, $10,000, 10x leverage, and and it's gonna move like 50% the upside. You'll see that, but not now. For now, until the market is over, the weekend is shake out completely. We're gonna see manipulation during the week. I mean, I can trade this, like, but I'm not gonna buy anything like for like investing. I need to see like now. Look at most of the coins, like see BTC, for example, on the like. Also, that's why I say cash is king. You know, if you have cash, then now is the opportunity to make use of your cash. That's why it's always good to have cash. I always have cash. Always have cash somewhere. Always. It's very important you have cash somewhere. You know. Um yeah, I need to see multiple rejection. Like price is gonna build. Price cannot just go up straight like that. Of course it can, but it would be like it's gonna be rare. Right. The panicking out there, those who have never seen this before, like they're gonna like you're gonna make their point. Wanna see many people run away from crypto. I mean, this is that pain, just like the FTX pain, right? It's like that but it's more than the FTX pain. Look at this pain. How many people have lose. Some people have lose their homes now. Some people have like the people who were building just lose everything. Those who like those treasuries company, some are down massively. Those who open because like those companies that opened recently, imagine what they are going through right now. So guys, um, I mean it's really scary times. Yeah, it's really scary time, and no one can tell you, oh, they saw this coming. No one saw it coming. No one. Even though you see Andrew Tate bragging, they might have shot Bitcoin from around 24,000. Doesn't mean that they knew that this was gonna happen. But I think um some people had an insight, you know, insight knowledge about what was about to happen. Now, like if we look at this on the weekly time frame, see, mm, you know, look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, it's like nothing happened, right? So, oh, Bitcoin can just stay like this, like nothing happened. You see? So that's why it's always good to have most of your asset in Bitcoin. I have been preaching this over and over, but for some reasons, you guys don't listen to me. I've preached this over and over. Like, have most of your asset in Bitcoin. Play with altcoins, right? But not like everything in altcoins. Just imagine that, like, let's say you woke up and you this dip, yeah, and look at the buyback to $112,000. Right? Even if you like you miss this whole move, yeah, you are back here. It's like an entry, right? It's like you're gonna get a massive entry here to short to buy Bitcoin. Like price just sweep all of its liquidity So this to me, it means that um Bitcoin is the strongest asset in the planet. Look, look, Ethereum. Look, Ethereum is gonna buy back also to this level, yeah. We don't see Ethereum buy back. we might not see Ethereum like, okay, because of what is happening, we might see Ethereum go the right down to 3,200, right? So Ethereum has already shown us where you want to go to, 3,300 price point or 3,400. Yeah, that's where Ethereum want to go to. But now, if we close this week, right? If by Sunday, like let's say we see tomorrow we see this dip continue. If by Sunday we close, or yeah, we close above here, above $4,000, then we are good with Ethereum. Okay. And with Bitcoin, if we close above, let me go to a different chart. I think I'm not getting the flavor that I want from this chart. Let me take this different chart. Yeah. Let me see. Guys, like the stream, like. If you're enjoying it, you like the stream. I see you guys watching. Comment your thought below uh if you got caught up by this dump. Comment your thought below. Show some love, guys. Show some love. I see you guys watching. Show some love. So let me go back to the weekly setup for Bitcoin. Okay. I even did something lately. Oh, my chart is. Let me take off this stuff. You see? If we close above 112,000 500, we are good. Let's say we close this week both, but if we see Bitcoin go up continuously and break this structure, yeah, come right down here to $100,000, then it's over. It's over. Okay? And I doubt it's gonna happen. I doubt, like, I'm sitting here like, okay, this flush out here, they have trapped a lot of traders already. My stream is not stable. Um, it's like I'm dropping a lot of frames. Let me see. So they just liquidated about 2 billion from Bitcoin, right? Let's see. Look at this, guys. So if we look at Bitcoin, right? Looking at this on the weekly time frame, you see that. I mean, nothing is really happening. Okay, but now look at other coins. Like let's look at AVAX. By the way, AVAX is up already for today. The new daily candle has formed, and AVAX is doing well. Like, but look at AVAX, guys. So look at this AVAX dump. This dump. Look at this. So, Bitcoin is the boss. You have to take advantage of that. Okay, take advantage of Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the boss. The boss. Look at ARB. Now the market just opened. a new daily candle is forming now, and you see the buy. Look at the buy, the buy. People are buying, they're buying, they're buying. I mean, they're gonna dump it afterwards, right? You know, at one point, I'm gonna jump into um to trade something, but not like I need to see multiple confluence, guys. But at one point, I'm gonna jump to trade something. Um, like okay, now look at this liquidity here. You know, based on this session. I don't want to even dare to say I'm trading. I want to trade anything now is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. But yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. The rest, I'll go there. The interest rate now should be so high to trade. If you want to trade now, I think the interest rate is gonna be so high. Like now, I've seen multiple confluence here, but even though it's so early, it's still early. But I think I can start playing a game here with that. You know, I'm gonna be buying coins I can just pump like back easily. You know, all right, guys. My I've been live now for 48 minutes. So if you have any question, if you're watching me, just like if you have any question or you want us to have a conversation, just let me know. Show some love. At least you guys should comment below. So I know you guys are here with me. If you want me to continue the live stream, at least say something. Even though um my stream is lagging now, I'm dropping frames like delay 5 seconds. The stream is delay 5 for 5 seconds. That's a lot. I'm trying to stabilize my stream. I'm trying to stabilize it so it comes back to normal. I was dropping frames a lot, so I just changed a lot of stuff currently. Um, I want it to use low CPU, so I'll be able to. I think now it's okay. Getting back on board. So if you want me to continue with the stream, comment below. If you're enjoying it, comment below. Let me know you are there with me. I just have to research something. Standard standard bit wait for YouTube live OBS. Let me see what they'll give me. Mm. 324 MP. So I should be to have about 8,000. Now I'm currently let me try now. I'm now at 4,000 KB. Let me try 9,000. Yeah, it has just stabilized my stream. Really, my stream has just been stabilized doing this. Oh, see now I'm not dropping frames anymore. My audibility is so high. Yeah, guys, I just have to do this because I was dropping frames. Um, I want to have a stable stream with you guys. Now I can see everything. Like I'm seeing everything. I'm not lagging again. as before. So if I was lagging, like really lagging, trust me. My CPU usage is really low now. You know, CPU usage is about 39%. It's not 60 FPS. Let's get back to, let me see. Some coins are gonna fly. Wow, look at Audi. I didn't see the price of Audi. Let's see where Audi went to. Audi went to $1. So if you bought Audi at $1 now, you should be up at least. Let's say you bought Audi for $100. That's 100 Audi. You should be up like what? You should be up $5. You should be up. You should be like $500 profit now for Audi. Oh boy. You know. All right, guys. See you the next one. Hopefully, don't trade now. Just be safe, and yeah, see you the next one.